Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S61 Pro, and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down just a little bit to find navigation bar section. Let's tap. As you can see right now, we've got of course the 3-key navigation, so the virtual key, and basically all I wanted to say here is that if you'll decide that you want to stick to this option, you can customize it, so you can reorder the back button and the recents. You can personalize it just like you want to. So first of all, let's set the gestures. Just tap on this option. And as you can see, actually immediately instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures, which I will explain you later on. As you can see, we've got this animation so we can kind of learn. For some reason, this hide navigation bar option is turned off, and I'm not sure why, but that's okay. Let's tap on gesture settings before we will move on. Here you can manage the digital assistant and change the back sensitivity to the low or high section. It's basically up to you, but to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need this back sensitivity to be lower or higher. Alright, so a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center until you'll see this arrow. Now you can release the finger and you will go back. The same situation from the right side. If you want to get back directly to the home page, just swipe your finger from the bottom to the center, and it should be a short and quick motion, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, just repeat the gesture, but elongate it a little bit and hold your finger somewhere here. And after releasing, you can see the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.